Then just take hold there. That's nice. And the throw. That's it. Good one. Back with the others. Right, nice. Next one, please. That's good. Okay, again, you start with the bow. And take hold. And the throw. That's nice. Good. The others. There we go. Okay, can I have the next one, please? Next one, please. Yeah? So just step forward then. Yeah. Onto the mat, yeah? There we are. Yeah. And the other foot, yeah? That's good. That's all right now. Okay, here we... Just come back onto the mat. There we go. It's all right. Now, first the bow.
So, we bow.
Yes. Yeah, all right, and then I take hold. It's all right. Just trust me. Just calm down, all right? Just stand here. That's it. No one's gonna get hurt. That's good. Okay. Now.
So we bow.
Yeah. Just one big bow, then the throw. Okay, so one, then...